Hey guys, what's up? It's me Mansi and welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a wedding guest makeup look on my cousin, and let's start. Here I am using concealer for prepping the eyes because we are starting this makeup with eyes. And today I am doing a brown soft cut crease makeup, and I am blending the concealer. Now I will set it with the powder. And now first we're gonna take the peach shade for the transition shade, and then I will take the brown color as the main shade. I'm applying the transition shade here. And now I'm applying the brown shade here on the crease line. We will define the crease with the brown shade. And here we will not apply this shade all over the lid. We just have to follow the crease line. And now I will apply a dark brown shade to deep the crease. It's a really nice makeup look, and I was loving to create that makeup look. Here is the outlook, how the eyeshadow look so far. Now we will make the cut crease. I'm just applying some concealer on the flat brush, and I will follow the crease. And I'm just applying the concealer. We will apply it in the outwards direction. So after applying concealer, you have to set it with the powder. So this is how it looks. I was really happy doing that. It was a really fun time for both of us. We were chilling, laughing and talking. It was really nice. Now I'm applying a shimmer shade. I didn't have pressed glitter, so I just used the shimmer shade that I have, and I'm applying it all over the lid. Now I'm just blending it. Now we will apply the eyeliner. My cousin was really excited about this makeup look, and she loved it. And you will too. It's really easy. If I can do it, then you can too. Trust me. I'm just applying the eyeliner, which I love doing, and which she enjoys. Here is the eyeliner, how it's looked like. The eyeliner is looking really nice. And now we'll set the eyebrows. I'm spraying some makeup setting spray on the spoolie, and I'm setting her brows. And now we will fill her brows. I'm filling the brows with a black eye pencil. And Then I will brush it with the spoon. And now we will move on to the face, and now I am applying the serum. We were just talking all the time and having fun in shooting this video. I'm just blending the serum in her face so that it will create a smooth base. Now I will apply prime. Now concealing her face. I didn't have the shade for her face, so I just applied the concealer all over her face, and I applied the light shade concealer under her eyes to brighten them, on her forehead, chin, nose, on the usual areas. So I'm blending it. I don't know why it is looking so white on the camera. It's just the camera, but in person it was looking really nice and flawless. But yeah, what can we do? So I'm just blending it. It's looking really white and I just hate. This is the one thing that I was worried about when I was doing her makeup, that it will look white on camera, but what can I do? It is what it is. I'm just setting her face with the powder. But at the end it will look really nice. I know. She has a great jawline and great cheekbones. Greater than mine. Now I will contour her face. It was a great time for us. I'm just applying the blush and blending it with the beauty blender. I just apply blush always on chin too, because I just love the look. And now I'm applying the mascara. I did really well in this makeup look and I was very happy to see how it was done. After applying mascara, I was just straight set her face with the makeup setting spray, and I am applying highlighter. Now her face is not looking that much white. Now I'm applying the same eyeshadow under her waterline. And yeah, that's it. The last step is lipstick, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button if you haven't already, and do comment how you like this makeup look. And if you want more videos with my cousin, please tell me in the comment section down below, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, goodbye, and do enjoy the results. You will be really happy.